Hey, we out here. Oh yeah. Okay, and the first day we spent in Ireland was at the Jameson Distillery at the Jameson Experience in Midleton, little town outside of Cork in the southern part of Ireland. During the time, we got to get a little tour of the whole factory. It's where they distribute all the Jameson throughout the world. It was a really cool trip because we got to get a little bit of knowledge of the history of the factory and of Jameson, the large whiskey company. And we also got to try 4 whiskeys during our little tour. So 10 out of 10, would 100% recommend this on your trip out to Ireland. Try it out. Very fun time with me and my friends. You ready for this shit, baby?
Ready. Try some whiskey.
Oh.
How many drinks?
Honestly, I think it's like 4.
Just one more.
Really?
Sorry, guys. The Powers John's Lane. For some reason, I always think of an old man's hardware shop. Stay with me, stay with me. The paint, the leather, the wood shavings on the ground, everything covered in that little bit of oil. It just conjures up that real earthy character for me. Now, on the tail.
Okay, so our next stop on our trip was King John's Castle in Limerick, which was a really cool town. This castle was actually on an island, had a great view of the whole city, and King John ordered his men to build this castle back in about 1200. He actually died before and never got to see it built, but this place was so historic too, hella history here. If you're ever in Limerick, definitely hit this place up. This place was cool. Cool small town, beautiful sights, wonderful history, Ireland. Pretty simple like that. Oh, you can go, bro. Say what's up, y'all. We out in Ireland. Wow. Woo!